Starling Bank UK Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all digital banks are the same, but here's the surprising truth. The way your bank handles fees, security, and everyday spending can quietly cost or save you hundreds of pounds each year. And Starling Bank has become one of the most talked about digital banks in the UK for a reason. Starling Bank is a fully licensed UK bank that operates entirely through a mobile app. There are no physical branches, but you get full current account services including salary payments, direct debits, card payments, and international transfers. One of Starling's biggest strengths is transparency. There are no monthly account fees, and basic services like card usage, ATM withdrawals in the UK, and bank transfers are free. This alone makes it very attractive to people tired of hidden charges. Here's what most people get wrong. They think digital banks are less secure. In reality, Starling uses strong security features like instant spending notifications, in-app card freezing, biometric login, and full UK deposit protection for eligible funds. Starling also shines in money management tools. You can create spending spaces to separate money for bills, savings, and goals. The app shows detailed spending breakdowns, so you can instantly see where your money goes each month. For travelers, Starling offers competitive exchange rates when spending abroad, often much better than traditional high street banks. However, the surprising truth is that Starling may not suit everyone. If you rely on branch visits, cash deposits, or in-person banking, a fully digital bank can feel limiting. Starling is best for people who manage their finances mainly through their phone, want low fees, and prefer simple, transparent banking. The surprising truth is that modern banking can actually make money management easier, not harder. Starling is built around that idea. If you want a smart, low-fee, mobile-first bank in the UK, Starling is definitely worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more honest finance app reviews and money-saving tips.